Have you been suffering from indigestion accompanied by extreme stomach pain on a daily basis? No matter how many medicines you take, it just doesn't seem to go away? You must be suffering from stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers are sores in the lining of the stomach or small intestine. They occur when the protective mucus that lines the stomach becomes ineffective. Pain is the main symptom of a stomach ulcer, either around the stomach or slightly higher up. The classic symptom of a stomach ulcer is indigestion, also called dyspepsia. Some stomach ulcers go unnoticed and show no typical indigestion-type pains. These ulcers are less common and tend to be diagnosed after the ulcer has started bleeding. Some ulcers can cause a hole in the stomach wall. This is known as perforation and is a serious condition. In today's video, we'll talk about 10 natural home remedies for ulcers. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our videos in future. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload one. Let's get started. Number 1. Probiotics. Probiotics are living organisms that help restore balance to the bacteria in the digestive tract. As well as helping achieve optimal gut health, they can help with treating ulcers. According to a review from 2014, probiotics cannot kill H. pylori bacteria. However, they may reduce the amount of bacteria present, speed up the healing process, and improve some symptoms. When taken alongside other treatments, probiotics may help eradicate harmful bacteria. People can find probiotics in sources like yogurts, fermented foods, and probiotic supplements. Some foods have probiotics in them, but consider taking supplements as they have higher concentrations of probiotics per serving. Number 2. Ginger. Many people think that ginger has gastroprotective effects. Some people use it to treat stomach and digestive conditions, such as constipation, bloating, and gastritis. A review from 2013 suggests that ginger can help with gastric ulcers caused by H. pylori bacteria. However, many of these results come from animal studies, so it is not clear whether the effects would be similar in humans. Number 3. Colorful fruits. Many fruits contain compounds called flavonoids, which are polyphenols. Flavonoids contribute to the rich colors of some fruits. According to a 2011 review, polyphenols can help with stomach ulcers. They can also help a range of other digestive issues, including spasms and diarrhea. Flavonoids protect the stomach lining from developing ulcers. They do this by increasing stomach mucus, which inhibits the growth of H. pylori. Flavonoids also have antioxidant properties. Flavonoids are present in fruits such as apples, blueberries, cherries, lemons, and oranges, nuts. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a popular yellow spice frequently used in India and other parts of Southern Asia. Like chili peppers, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin. Researchers are beginning to study curcumin in regards to its health benefits. A 2013 review concluded that curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities that may help prevent stomach ulcers. However, there are a limited number of studies on humans. There needs to be more research to examine how effective turmeric is in treating ulcers. Still, initial results appear to be positive. Scientists hope that turmeric can help relieve ulcer symptoms and treat the sores. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is popular in many parts of the world for adding flavor to food. Garlic has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, which make it helpful in fighting infections. Some studies do support garlic's effectiveness in treating ulcers. For example, a 2016 study on animals showed that garlic could help prevent the development of ulcers and help speed up the healing process. According to a 2015 review, garlic may also help prevent the growth of H. pylori. One small-scale study from 2015 suggests that eating 2 cloves of garlic with a meal twice a day can have antibacterial effects against H. pylori. However, not all studies agree that garlic affects H. pylori or prevents ulcers. Scientists still need to do more research. Number 6. Licorice. Licorice is a popular spice that is native to the Mediterranean region and Asia. People have used licorice in traditional medications for hundreds of years. Some people believe that eating a dried licorice root can help cure and prevent ulcers. However, research tends to focus on the use of supplements, not dried licorice root. So, people interested in using this spice for ulcers may want to try it as a supplement. One 2013 study found that taking licorice supplements can help fight H. pylori infections. The The study suggests that the supplement helps prevent the bacteria from growing. Number 7. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is a popular plant-based oil found in many topical lotions, cosmetics, and foods. Some studies looking at how aloe vera affected stomach ulcers produced favorable results. For example, one 2011 study on rats reported that aloe vera treated ulcers in a similar way to a popular anti-ulcer medication. But researchers studied animals, not humans. So scientists need to do more research to see the effects of aloe vera on humans. Number 8. Castor Oil Compress. Calm a painful ulcer with a castor oil pack, applied to your abdomen. Castor oil can reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and heal tissues beneath the skin, and a compress is easy and inexpensive to make. Place a towel in castor oil until completely saturated. Squeeze to remove any extra liquid and avoid dripping. Cover the painful area on your abdomen, then top with a dry towel and a hot water bottle for added pressure. Leave the pack on for up to 1 hour. For example, one 2011 study on rats reported that aloe vera treated ulcers in a similar way to a popular anti-ulcer medication. But researchers studied animals, not humans. So scientists need to do more research to see the effects of aloe vera on humans. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage produces amino acids that help to stimulate the blood flow to the lining of the stomach that strengthens the lining and thus treats the ulcer. The high vitamin C content in cabbages is also beneficial for ulcers. Cut half of cabbage and 2 carrots, extract the juice, and have it daily before every meal. Have this juice for some days daily. Number 10. Tea. By now, you should know that coffee will irritate an already existing ulcer. But not so for tea. In fact, peppermint and chamomile teas are anti-inflammatories that can soothe your ulcer pain and encourage healing. Brew your tea and allow it to cool until just warm. Too hot and you'll irritate your ulcer. Stir in some raw honey for its antibacterial qualities as well as for its sweet flavor. If you enjoyed the video, quickly smack the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss our next videos. See you soon!